So we start tearing this off. We're at the Carriage house above the cellarway. And here's the interesting thing to consider when you're thinking about doing your roof. So if someone says, oh, put another layer on, and my guess is there's already 2 layers on here. Look at this. So you just pick up on this one, and it just picks them right up. Like I could rip this whole roof off just by doing this. The top roof. You'd still have the lower roof. So these nails right here, they aren't in any wood. They're just in tar. So this whole thing could just come flaking right off if the wind got it right. Now fortunately it's stuck down. Well, maybe it's not stuck down real good, but it is stuck down some. Like this one right here doesn't come up real easy. But that's the thing to think about. I'm not an advocate of double or triple roofs anymore. And I know some people get around it by putting a whole sheet of particle board on here, nailing that in, and then putting new roof on top of that. That's how they get around the code, which I think that's wrong. That's crap. But I can see it. It is allowed. I see it happening. Now they say they're going into the wood. Who knows? Maybe they are. Maybe they aren't. But was the house built for 4 layers of roofing? Who knows? I'm not doing it, so that's the bottom line. So let's keep tearing it off and see what else we run into.